everyone, Miss Brittany's here, and I'm at the ocean. Can you tell? I've got my flippers on, I've got my sand toys. Now today we're going to talk about rhymes. Rhyming means that a word sounds the same at the end of the word. So we oftentimes think about how words sound the same at the beginning, like ball and bat. But a rhyme is when words sound the same at the end. So think of a book that you know. How about Cat in the Hat? Cat and hat rhyme. Can you think of any words that sound like cat and hat, that rhyme with cat and hat? Let's see. What about mat, or rat, or sat, or pat, or nat? All those words rhyme. So we're going to talk about more rhymes. I'm going to read some rhymes from this book. Now this is a special book. This book is called Commotion in the Ocean. Commotion and ocean, do those sound the same at the end? I think they do. This is a special book because it is made up of lots of little stories that are called poems. And poems are short and they just talk about something special. So this poem, what do you think this poem is about? I see a picture of a crab. So this poem is about a crab. It says, the crab likes walking sideways, and I think the reason why is to make himself look sneaky and pretend that he's a spy. Did you hear a rhyme in there? I heard a rhyme. I heard why and spy. Now rhymes can be easy to hear, but sometimes they can be kind of hard. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna read through a few more of these poems, and I wanna see if you can figure out where the rhymes are. Let's see, let's try this one. Oh my goodness, this one's about turtles. We crawl up the beach from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch, and then when they hatch, they scamper about in the sand. I heard two different rhymes in that one. This is kind of tricky. This is like real kindergarten stuff. So I heard, let's see if we can figure it out. We crawl up the beach from the water to bury our eggs on dry land. We lay a whole batch, and then when they hatch, there's our rhyme, batch and hatch. But there was another rhyme. To bury our eggs on dry land, they scamper about in the sand. Land and sand rhyme. This is tough stuff. You think you can get it? Let's see. How about, oh, look at that. Is this a whale? No, it's a shark. I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide. Why don't you come a bit closer? Please take a good look inside. Did you hear a rhyme? I heard a rhyme. Wide and side. I'm gonna read it again so you can listen for it this time. This is about the shark, remember? I swim with a grin up to greet you. See how my jaws open wide. Why don't you come a bit closer? Please take a good look inside. Did you hear the rhyme? I bet you did. All right, this time I am going to read one about the big blue whale. Blue whale. There's no other beast on the planet as big as the giant blue whale. He measures a massive 100 feet long from his head to the tip of his tail. Did you hear a rhyme? Was it whale and tail? Those were the rhymes. Very, very good. Oh, look how silly this book is. There's a tiny little poem down here about barnacles. You see all these little guys on the whale? Those are called barnacles. We're just a bunch of barnacles, and all we do is cling. We know it's not that glamorous, but it's our favorite thing. I bet you heard the rhyme on that one. Cling and thing. Very, very good. Now you can hear rhymes all over. There's lots of rhymes in this book, and there's rhymes in other books that you probably know too. There's also rhymes in songs, and you can find rhymes in movies, or you can find rhymes in lots of TV shows that you watch too, and you can just make up rhymes at home. You can do that with your mom or dad or brother and sister. And I also have an activity that we're going to do that's going to be in your packet, and it is Pirate Treasure Rhyming Game. And so you're going to need this whole packet, and it's got some treasure chests, and it's got these rhyming picture cards that you will need to cut out. So what you're going to do is take out your treasure chests and put them on a table or on the floor, and you have all your little pieces of treasure here, and you're going to find the words that rhyme. So this is a key. So let's see if we can find a rhyme. What's this? That looks like a fan. Do fan and key rhyme? Do they sound the same at the end? I don't think so. What about cat? Do cat and key rhyme? They sound the same at the beginning, but not the end of the word. What about bee? Do bee and key rhyme? Do they sound the same at the end? I think they do. So we're going to put it right there. Now there's another space. I think that means there's another something else for us to find. This looks like a log. Log and key, do those rhyme? What about tree? Tree, key, bee, those all rhyme. So you can put it right in the treasure chest. And you don't have to glue them down. You can play this game again and again and just take them off and start over. Look at this one. We've got dog. Let's see if we can find any. You look at those and see if you can find what rhymes with dog. What about, oh, I see an upside down frog. Frog, dog. Those rhyme. Now there's one more. Let's see. Is it cat? Cat, dog. Do those sound the same at the end of the word? Do they rhyme? What about log? That sounds kind of like it. Frog, dog, log. Very good. So you can do this at home, and you can play this game over and over. All you have to do is cut out the pieces and set them down. And you can make up words that rhyme and songs at home. I hope you have lots of fun rhyming. We'll see you soon.